Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Relationship of ovary with the other structures. Ovary superiorly or anteriorly contains external iliac vessels. Posteriorly, ovary contains internal iliac vessels and ureter. Laterally, ovary contains infundibulopelvic ligament and the obturator nerve. Medially, there is ovarian ligament.
So superiorly it has external iliac vessels, inferiorly it has internal iliac vessels and the ureter, whereas laterally there is infundibulopelvic ligament and obturator nerve, medially there is ovarian ligament.
Relationship of ureter to uterine artery and ovarian artery. Uterine artery to the ovarian artery and ovarian uterine relationship of ureter to uterine artery and ovarian artery. Ureter is posteriorly related to uterine artery and ovarian artery. Relationship of ureter to the internal iliac artery. Ureter is related anteriorly to the internal iliac artery.
thank you and thank you for watching.